What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Z and Zab's project. Got another tip for you. The Nissan Micra K12 on a 2003 plate. It's the 1.4 SE model. Keyless start, keyless entry. Put the keys over there. So what the issues with this car at the moment is, when you go to start the car, starts, idles nicely, but there's the engine management light on. And what the engine management light does is, when you leave the car started and you go for a drive for about say 5-10 minutes, when you come back to start it up again, it doesn't start. What we're going to do now is we're going to go for a drive for 5-10 minutes and we'll try to start it up and we'll show you what the issue is. Alright, so we've been driving around for about 5-10 minutes now, so we're going to switch the car off and we'll try starting it up again to show you what the issue is. So that's the issue currently. You start the car up in the morning, no problem, it starts up. You drive around 5-10 minutes, you come back, park it up, you try to start it up again, and it won't start up. So if you wait say 10 seconds, and then try starting the car up, it'll start up straight away. Obviously we had an idle problem before, which we changed the throttle body. So now it's idling perfectly, which is, to change the throttle body, you can see one of our videos that we just uploaded last week. So now it's been more than 10 seconds. If I try to go start the car up again, it'll fire up straight away. So the problem that's causing the issue is the camshaft position sensor, one of these sensors over here. So this sensor here is located behind the engine block. Once we disconnect the negative cable of the battery, they go behind with the 10mm. It's loose, just remove with your hand, nothing falls out. That's the 10mm bolt. I'm going to pull out the cable, show you sensor, and if you can see, that's the plug for it. That's sensor, that's the plug. Just full of oil, so just make sure you put it in the box. Once you've done that, get the new one. So that's the new camshaft sensor. It's plugged in, make sure you hear that clip noise. That's your camshaft sensor bolt there. As you can see, it's a 10mm again. That's where it goes behind the block. Just tighten that up. Just tighten it up with the ratchet. Okay, that's that done. Once that's done, just gonna put the negative back on. Alright, moment of truth. So we got the sensor back in. We've driven the car for about at least half an hour now. So we're going to go ahead and switch it off and see if it starts straight back up. Alright, that's perfect. I'll rev it a bit. There you go. So that's all sorted now. So guys, if you have any issue of the car not starting after it's nice and warm, say you're driving off half an hour, whatever, and you go to start it, it doesn't start, you wait a minute or so and you start it, it starts up straight away, it's going to be your camshaft sensor. So obviously, get it on the diagnostic system, have a look what it is, and if it is your camshaft sensor, it's quite easy to change the bolt. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove that engine management light. We'll put the diagnostic computer on again and get it reset. The only thing left to do with this car now is to reset the engine management light, which we'll do later on. So guys, stay safe and stay blessed. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helps you out. We'll see you in the next one.